सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे श्रेया कंप्यूटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi friends, my name is Shyam and you are watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. Friends, today's our topic is how to restore stock recovery and flash stock firmware on Lenovo K6 Power. Friends, before do this, I will provide you a stock recovery image in my below description. You may download it. So friends, copy this image file in your internal memory or micro SD card. Afterward, you have to copy it. We need to press the install option, select storage. Friends, here I have copied in my micro SD card. Here doesn't seem the file until we select install image. After selecting, locate the recovery.image. Select this image file and select the second option as stock recovery. See friends, we need to select a stock recovery option. Then afterwards, simple swipe right to flash. Then go back and reboot. Press recovery. Select the language English. See friends, the stock recovery was successfully installed on K6 Power. Then we need to switch off our phone to installing stock firmware. So friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will bring you a latest technological information on this page. Thank you friends. Bye bye friends.